With each new dawn, I see the sun god rise, and for 5,000 years, I have seen all the suns men can remember come up in the sky. Through the ages, I received many names from the people who came to me in adoration.
Lord of the heavens,
Sovereign of eternity.
But the name which has remained with me is that given to me by a Greek traveler, the father of history, Herodotus. He called me Sphinx.
Here he is, close to us, in the guise of the Sphinx, carved in rock near his tomb.
I bear witness to the will of Cheops, my father, to defy time forever. I saw Antony and Cleopatra pass, Alexander, Caesar, and Napoleon paused at my feet. And I, Kephrun's faithful companion, saw the progress of dynasties and grave priests and the light steps of noble ladies. Listen to me, and the white crown and the red will be yours. The crown of Upper and of Lower Egypt. Yours will be the land in its breadth and length. Do you see how I am forlorn? How my body is neglected?
Large, pensive eyes, a weak body and girlish softness, such is the strange youth who has been made all-powerful. He leaves Thebes in order to found his own city. He rejects the god Amon and his priests to worship a god of his own choosing, Aton, who is in heaven.
frail and tender, Tutankhamen died not yet 20 after a reign of 6 years. But 3,000 years have not yet withered his fine, youthful face, nor tarnished the treasures gathered round him in his unfinished tomb of the Valley of the Kings.
All at once, from the funerary chambers to the peaks of the pyramids, hieroglyphs were born to a new life. Herons, lotus flowers, fishes, hares and drakes, the mysterious characters suddenly woke up, fluttered and sang like creatures of the fields as the sun rises.
The Nile be praised. On its banks came one of the 7 wonders of the world.